Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials.
Today I am going to show you how to create 4-step connection circles infographic template in Adobe InDesign. Draw a circle shape. Copy Ctrl C. Paste in place. Alt Shift Ctrl V. Make small circle. Select both circles. Go to Windows menu and Object and Layout and Pathfinder. Click on Exclude Overlap. Use eyedropper tool shortcut I to pick color. Copy Ctrl C. Paste in place. Alt Shift Ctrl V. Select circle shape and bring to down. Select shapes with Shift key and make small shapes. Copy Ctrl C. Paste in place. Alt Shift Ctrl V. Rotate 90 degree. Use eyedropper tool to pick color. Color panel F6 R0 G184 B183 R17 G71 B105 R137 G141 B144 R31 G133 B171. Draw a horizontal box shape. Copy Ctrl C. Paste in place. Alt Shift Ctrl V. Select both shapes and apply intersects. Finally, your step circles infographic design is now ready. Please follow steps and it's easy way to create circles infographic template design in Adobe InDesign.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.